Boom here, and welcome to Forex Banana Hub. And today in this video, we're gonna show you, or we're gonna share you gold next week news analysis. That means XAUUSD fundamental analysis. As you know that XAU always connected with USD. That's why we have to follow USD news, guys. Okay. So as you can see there is two short note over here, and if news data come with positive data, we will sell gold, and if news data come with negative value like red 0.5%, red 245k indicates buy for gold. Okay, so if data come with positive value like green 0.5%, green 245k, and that indicates sell for gold, and if data come with negative value, that will indicate buy for gold. Okay, you may ask me why, Mr. Boom, why for positive data gold sell, why for negative data gold buy. Okay, let me explain a little bit more. We have to concern, or we have to keep our mind two line over here. Gold value is always fixed and USD value is changeable. That means beginning of the world or studying of the world, gold value is always constant and USD value can be variable or changeable. Okay, so USD value can be ups and down like this curved line, and gold value suppose this strict line. Okay, and suppose one gold is equal to, that means one XAUUSD is equal to 2500 USD. Okay, USD. Okay, one gold bar is equal to 2500 USD. Okay, and if news data come with 5% red value, if data come with 5% red value, that means 5% USD value decreased. Okay, if we minus 5% from this value, that will be smaller than gold, because gold is always constant, as you know that will be smaller than gold, then gold is bigger than USD. Okay, in this situation or in this scenario, we need to buy gold, because gold value is increasing when USD value is decreasing. Okay, that in that scenario or in that case, we have to buy gold. And same around there, that means for positive value, if USD come with positive value, that means 5% plus 5% with green data like that, and USD will be bigger than gold. The opposite one as previous one, USD will be bigger than gold, then gold value will be decreased in this moment. Okay, gold value is increased that moment and decreased that moment. That's why we have to sell gold if data come with positive value. Okay, hopefully you understand. If you have any guilty, you may check our previous fundamental analysis. Okay, then let's get back into gold market or USD market or XAUUSD market. So what we have to do with news data, that means fundamental news data, you have to go this is a chart from forexfactory.com. You may go there, www.forexfactory.com. as you can see there, here is October 7 to October 11th date selected, that means next week, and Monday and Tuesday we don't have any news, so we have to keep our concern on Middle East tension. Okay, Middle East tension, that means Middle East where. Okay, if any data come with a Middle East related issue, we will buy or sell gold. We will update on our Telegram channel in real-time analysis. Okay, and we have a Wednesday, we have semi-major US news, crude oil related, and we have to keep our eyes in this news. And if data come with positive value, we will sell gold. If data come with negative value, we will buy gold. Okay, and in Thursday we have one time, two time gold red news. That means one of them FOMC meeting minutes, and another one is core CPI, YY, and unemployment climb, that means jobless climb. So we have to keep our concern especially on this news. That means October 10 is very important day. Okay, if data come with positive value, we will sell gold. If with negative value, we will buy gold. Okay, and for Friday we have two-time news, core PPI, and prelim UOM. Okay, same theory in this news also. Okay, you have to keep your concern. If gold or USD value come with positive value, we will sell gold. If USD value come with negative value, we will buy gold. Okay, and there is something to explain, as you know that there is war related, that means Middle East tension related issue in the market right now. So we have to keep our concern on Middle East issue. Okay, if you are especially in our VIP channel or VIP member, you may know that about we are posting Middle East update each and every moment. Okay, when you got any update, we are posting on our VIP. So if any attack or missile attack happen on Middle East, like Israel and Iran, or Israel and Houthi with and Israel and others, we immediately gold will fly. Okay, you may notice that on Fridays after NFP news, NFP data was positive, that means clear indicator sell for gold, but market go above because of Middle East tension. So you have to keep your concern, you have to keep your mind always on Middle East tension. If anything happens on Middle East, gold will fly. Okay, this is a big fundamental theory. Okay, you have to keep your eyes on Middle East tension. You may check a lot of news website, a lot of news live, you can get a lot of update. You also keep your eyes on our Telegram channel. Hopefully all things is clear now. For more query or for free entry, market analysis or news analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel t.me/fxbillionairehub. And that's for today. Happy trading, have a nice day.